Hi, in this video I will show you how to enable Snapchat notifications on the Android. So if you don't get any notification by your friend streaks, so you can enable your Snapchat notification in this way. So first of all, click on your settings of your phone and now click on the apps and the notification. Once you will click on the apps and notification, from here you have to search for the Snapchat application. Once you will search for it, open it. After that you will see page like this, and on the top you will see a button notification. Tap on it, and from here you have to your toggle is like this. You have to turn this toggle on and you will see all the notification is open now. So in this way you can enable your Snapchat notifications on the Android. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.